When you have been given an offer of a council property, we will let you know by either giving you a call or sending a letter to you. Before you start planning your move, here's what you need to know about your future home. It may take a little while before the accommodation is ready for you to see. This is because there will be some essential repairs that need to be done to ensure the home is up to standard before we can open the doors for you to see it. All our properties need to be repaired to what we call a lettable standard. When a previous tenant leaves the property, we conduct an inspection to identify what needs to be done to prepare the property for you. When we know what needs done, we ask our trade staff to carry out these repairs as quickly as possible. Once the work is finished, our repairs inspector conducts a final check to ensure it meets the right standard and is ready for a new occupant. That's you. We will then do a pre-viewing with you at the property before you actually sign your tenancy. This will be an opportunity for you to measure for carpets, curtains, furniture, and other items. Your new property will be clean and secure, and it will be a bit of a blank canvas. It will likely have no carpets, blinds, curtains, or furniture. You will have to provide your own. You also have the freedom to decorate the property to your personal taste. We might be able to provide you with a decoration pack. This means that we can help you with supplies like paint and rollers. Before you move in, there are a few things you will need to think about. How will you pay your rent? We offer a range of payment methods such as direct debits, phone payments, standing orders, amongst other methods. Also, if you receive universal credit, you will need to make sure that it is set up for you to pay your rent to the council. Be aware that you will be asked to pay some rent in advance. How will you furnish and carpet your new home? We will give you a tenancy pack that will give you helpful advice about your tenancy, such as how to work your boiler and heating, and how to contact your locality housing team. After you move in, our staff will carry out a quick check within the first 10 days of you getting the keys, just to make sure everything is okay. We will then follow that up with a settling in visit within around 30 days. Just so you know, if you feel like you need some extra support, we've got a team of housing support officers ready to help. Just let us know if you need assistance and we can help with things like community care grants or planning how to pay your rent. Don't forget that we're here to make sure your new home is everything you wanted. So if you have any problems or questions about your new property, you can contact our housing locality teams on 01738 476 000 option 2. Welcome to your new home. We hope you really enjoy it.